Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So today, got another fun box. I'm very excited about this one because it has the number 7, and who doesn't like the number 7? Apple Watch 7. Let's crack it open, and I'll be comparing it to the Apple Watch 6 that's been on my wrist for almost an entire year. Almost every day. I think, yeah, I let my wife use it. Probably 3, maybe 4 days out of the last year. Most of the time I've been wearing it. Not because I'm greedy. She's not into gadgets like I am, and that's probably a good thing. So, Apple Watch 7, did you order one? We're gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna use it for a couple hours. I'll show you how to set it up. I don't know how it's gonna work because I already have this one paired to my iPhone, and I only have one iPhone 12 mini. We'll see what happens. Here we go. Ready? All right, here goes nothing. Oh, I don't even need the knife. Oh, there it is. They do such a nice job packaging. This is the Series 7 blue aluminum case. Abyss blue instead of Pacific blue like this one from 2020. Anyway, there's the box. Whoa, whoa. A box within a box. Nice packaging, similar to last year. Toss that over there. Ooh. One on this side. So much paper. Designed by Apple in California. Oh, thanks, Apple. Okay. I tried not to watch any other unboxings. Yes, USB-C. Now I can charge it with my laptop, and instead of the cheaper plastic ones, they went with an aluminum charging disc. Well, I'm liking this already. Now I ordered the LTE edition one. Let's take it out of the case. Different. Yes, a different hue of blue. 45 millimeter instead of 44. Okay, let's take it out here. Should just kind of slide out, right? Yep, just slide. I don't want to tear this. I ripped my last one open, and then I'm like, oh man, if something goes wrong, I need to ship it back. There we go. Oh, and then it somehow just turned on. I like the blue color. I thought it was going to be a lighter blue than it is, but we'll compare it head to head. So on the left is the 7, on the right is the 6. Very curious. This one is worn well. A couple scratches here and there, some scuffs. It doesn't look that much bigger, to be honest. So let's take a look in the next box, which most likely will be the band. This is the short band, stainless steel pin. Okay. Oh, nice. Came with 2 bands this year. So for last year, I just got the 1 band, if I remember right. But this year, I got the 2. So again, slight color variant. Love that. Oh, wow. They even put a little thing over that so it doesn't... Nice. So this is Apple Watch 7. and this is Apple Watch 6. Really subtle. I'll take these outside and show them to you under natural light. So let's put that on. Oops, I put it on upside down, didn't I? No, that was right. That was weird. It didn't didn't make the same sound. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? No, that's right. Well, let's see what happens. So to avoid any confusion, I'm going to power off my Apple Watch 6 for the time being. Okay, so here's my iPhone 12. Oh, and just like that. Continue. Set up Apple Watch. Set up for myself, set up for a family member. Tempting. Set up for myself. That is the coolest thing ever. So much better than a QR code. Apple Watch is paired. Wow, that was so easy. Restore from backup. Peter's Apple Watch, iOS 113.21, or from today. I'm going to go for this one. Oh wait, that's the old one. Yeah, let's go for the new one in 2021. Continue. I have no idea what's going to happen to my old one. I've never had more than one Apple Watch at a time. I like the color blue. I really thought it was going to be more of a baby blue according to the website, but it's very similar to that other color. What do they call it? The azure? Yeah, they call it abyss. Here it is. Blue Alu Abyss. Sign your life away.
What'd she say? That.
And then this will set it up. So let me take off my Samsung watch for a minute. I like it. It reminds me a lot of this one, but just slightly, oh so subtly different. All right, shared settings. Yeah, okay, sure. Find my iPhone. Still hasn't said anything about 2 Apple Watches. Bold text, yes. Passcode? I have to set a passcode? Hang on. Keep your Apple Watch up to date? Sure. Okay, and then it asks you about always on display, whether you want to do Apple Pay, app view. Yeah, I like the grid view. Apple Watch is syncing. Get to know your watch. We have Watch OS, nice. For the most part, I've already known that because this one updated just again yesterday. So now it's going to sync. I won't bore you with that part. Be right back. This may be a really simplistic feature that I really like already about the Apple Watch 7. Let me show you. All right, so here's my messy desk. I unboxed everything and it's still synchronizing and installing. And really at this time, you want to charge it. So watch this. I can plug it in to my MacBook. Well, I cannot do that with one hand. Click. And now I bring this over here. Put my phone back on the tripod. Okay, there we go. And now, nice. One less thing to travel with, because now I don't have to worry about USB-A. Now the downside is if I didn't have my laptop, this won't work anymore. And they don't give you an adapter. Ooh, and there we go. It is hot and ready. Update complete. Your Apple ID information, yeah, whoops. Now the numbers, they're bigger. Slightly bigger than the Apple Watch 6, but noticeably bigger. So now I just have to say okay. All right, yeah, I don't know how they do it, but the screen does look bigger. So it's at 78%, nice. Getting text messages and alerts. So I'm thinking I should put this into airplane mode. Just so there's no confusion. Okay, now that's off. It feels bigger, just a little bit. What do they say, like 20% bigger or 12 or See if it synced all my data for the day. And it did. Wow. Activity. Live a better day by closing all 3 rings. Oh, thanks. Move, exercise, stand. And what else? Move, exercise, and stand. Okay, get started. That's weird that it's asking me for this since I already had it set up. Okay, so that's nice. They do have other. I'm going to choose male. I won't bore you with this part. There is nothing like the crown though. Well, it's pretty close. The bezel on here is really nice as well, but I have to say the rotating crown is just so smooth and fluid. And I love these little subtle animations when you're choosing your weight. I will tell you all my weight. I am currently weighing 167. Oh, I have to do my height as well. It is nice that they let you choose wheelchair. I think that's a nice feature. Typically, how active are you? Okay, whoops, clear. Typically, how active are you? Oh, yeah, let's try that. Monitor, I'm gonna say lightly for now. Wow, those are really big. I did choose bold. 30 minutes a day. Yeah, let's not go overboard. Let's just say 20. Your daily stand goal? I like 11. So it hasn't quite synchronized it from my phone yet. Interesting. I don't know what's going on there. It only says 92 steps. I'm sure it will synchronize soon. Whoa, whoa. Let's see if it synchronized my sleep from last night. Nope, not yet. Looks like I have some clicking to do. So inside the Apple Watch app, we have 2 of them. Peter's Apple Watch 44, aluminum. So there's my old one, there's my new one. Unpair Apple Watch, find my Apple Watch. So how do you say which one's the premium one? Doesn't let me choose auto switch. There we go. So I'm going to tell that one's the premium one. So now all my data should be in that one. Let's check out the watch faces. This is the one they have in the commercial. And there it is. They really do push that to the edge, don't they? Do a little widescreen shot. Here's a widescreen shot. Nice. Okay, good news. I did not lose any of my steps. It's all there. 10 flights of stairs climbed today. There's my exercise. Yay! Here are my awards. Looks like that is still synchronizing. And now I should have my sleep. I like the lightning bolt right there in the top. Learn how to silence your Apple Watch. Sure. To silence all notifications. Nice. Next tip. Open apps from the dock. Okay, I'll try that later. Because it charges 33% faster, I'm charging it through USB-C on my MacBook Air. I don't know off the top of my head how fast it is. I'll have to look that up. But if we go to settings, let's see what battery says. Last charged to 100% by someone at the Apple Store factory place. Battery health, 100. Optimized battery charging, yes. Very cool. Take a screenshot of that. Screenshot is not yet enabled, which is weird because, so it's not, for some reason it didn't copy all of my settings over. Screenshots, yes. So if you didn't know how to do that, screenshots, you go to General, keep scrolling down till you see Screenshot, and then enable it. So now I can go back to Battery. Screenshot. More about the Apple Watch 7. Find some cool features and figure out what I really like about the watch so I can share that with you. So I'll see you in a few hours and the lighting's going to be different. That way you know that several hours have gone by. But initially, yes, it's just a little bit bigger. It does feel a little faster, but then again, it's brand new. I like that it's USB-C. I like the bigger text. I like the bigger screen. It doesn't feel physically that much bigger. I do like the color blue. I really liked Pacific Blue on the Apple Watch 6 from 2020, and this new Azure? We'll say Azure. Anyway, see you in a few hours.